Hello and welcome to Car Apex, the place where we dive deep into the latest and greatest vehicles hitting the streets. Today, we're talking about an iconic name making its highly anticipated return, the 2025 Honda S2000. Let's get into it. The S2000 is one of Honda's most beloved sports cars, and for good reason. It first appeared in 1999, quickly earning a reputation for its thrilling performance, precise handling, and a naturally aspirated engine that could rev to the moon. Now, after years of speculation, Honda has finally brought it back. But does it live up to the legacy? Let's find out. The new 2025 Honda S2000 has been reimagined for a new generation, blending its classic spirit with modern technology and performance. Under the hood, Honda has given it a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, tuned to deliver an impressive 320 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, you heard that right. Honda has stayed true to the driving purists and included a stick-shift option, making this car a true joy to drive. For those wondering about the driving experience, early reviews indicate that Honda has nailed it. The S2000's lightweight construction and low center of gravity make it a sharp, agile performer on twisty roads and racetracks alike. The suspension has been finely tuned to provide the perfect balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort, so you can enjoy this car whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising down the highway. One of the key highlights of the 2025 S2000 is its design. Honda has done an exceptional job blending retro elements with modern styling. The car features sleek lines, an aggressive front fascia, and a low, wide stance that makes it look like it's always ready to pounce. The open-top Roadster layout remains intact, staying true to the classic S2000 experience. The interior, however, has received a significant upgrade, featuring premium materials, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an infotainment system with all the modern conveniences like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a high-quality sound system. But the real question on everyone's mind is, how much does it cost? Honda has positioned the 2025 S2000 as an affordable entry into the performance car market. The base model starts at approximately $45,000. For a car that offers this level of performance, heritage, and cutting-edge technology, it's a price point that's hard to beat. Of course, there will be higher trims and optional packages that can push the price closer to $55,000, but even then, it remains an attractive offering compared to its competitors. Speaking of competitors, the 2025 S2000 goes head-to-head with cars like the Mazda MX-5 Miata, Toyota GR86, and even some entry-level models from BMW and Porsche. However, the S2000 stands out due to its unique blend of turbocharged power, manual transmission, and Honda's engineering expertise. It's a car that appeals not just to the heart but also to the head. Another interesting aspect of the 2025 S2000 is its fuel efficiency. Thanks to the turbocharged engine and advanced aerodynamics, it manages to deliver impressive fuel economy for a sports car, with an estimated 28 miles per gallon combined. This makes it not only fun to drive but also relatively practical for daily use. As we dig deeper into the 2025 S2000, it's clear that Honda hasn't just revived a legend, they've reinvented it for a new era. This car pays homage to its roots while embracing the future, offering a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. From its performance and design to its price and practicality, the new S2000 is a car that checks all the right boxes. If you're a fan of the original S2000 or someone who's always wanted to own a sports car but didn't want to break the bank, this might just be the car for you. It captures the essence of driving pleasure and wraps it in a package that's accessible and thrilling. So, what do you think of the 2025 Honda S2000? Is it a worthy successor to the original, or does it fall short? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Car Apex for more content on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep driving, keep dreaming, and stay passionate about cars. Until next time.